password? Mouldy old chips.
Oh, how I love Christmas. I'm going to ask him for 1,000,000 girlfriends. A parrot, a motor parrot. Have only one hope! Enemy tag approaching! Retreat!
Come here this instant!
Attention all units, we have reports of a disturbance in the toy department. Be on the lookout for 2 naughty boys.
A little boy who answers to the name of Stuffed has lost his mind. He's hiding behind a stuffed giraffe. Attention shoppers! With the 2 ugliest girls in the world, please report to the stationery department. Where they will receive a complimentary paper bag to...
Don't you butt me, Henry. I have never been so humiliated.
Sorry, Miss Lovely, didn't see you there.
Of justice. This is the source of liberty.
Margaret said she wanted everyone to see you and Fang humiliated.
Let the battle commence!
What is that?
That, my friend, is a boo 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 boo. Delicious. Eat up, everyone! How's your extra hot sauce, Steve?
Sit down this instant!
Sorry if I put these where they belong.
You're not scary.
We've got a load.
Yes, of course you can, Peter. Just put it back where you